relationship, the meaning of relationship. The relationship, as we pointed out, is one of the most important things in life. Not the emotional expressions of it, the tantrums, the neuroticism of relationship, but what is important, significant, depth in relationship. And we never ask that question. We want to solve the problem of relationship, you understand? And so we never solve them. The psychiatrists, psychotherapists, and so on are multiplying in the world like mushrooms. And they're not solving problems. They're not solving the depth of all this. So we should consider together what is the art of living. You understand? Oh, come on, sir. It's a nice morning.
Are you saying that if we have a system for solving problems, then every time we approach a problem, we use our system?
That's right.
Instead of understanding.
Lady is saying if we have a system, a pattern of solving a problem, then the system is operating, not the understanding and the depth of the problem. Right? The same thing. We were talking about the art of living. Sorry, these are the questions, but there it is. You don't mind? We'll come to that. There are many of them, so we've chosen 6 of them. That'll be enough for this morning. But we're asking, what's the art of living? We have the art of poetry, painting, the art of art of cooking, especially now, and so on. But we've never asked ourselves, perhaps which is the greatest art, what is the art of living? Is there an art? Or is it all the chance? Or is it all some genes, a biological chances and so on? What is the true art of living? Are you waiting for me to answer it? If one answers it, don't make a problem of it. Then the art is thrown out the window. So let's look at it together to find out what is the art of living. Art in the widest and the depth of that word, not just all the contents of a museum. If you were asked that question, what's the art of living, what would be your answer? Not calculated answer, personal answer, or emotional romantic answer, which are meaningless. Right? If I answer that question emotionally, oh, it is the most, art of living is the highest aspiration, which is sheer nonsense. Art of living is the most exalted intellectual activity, right? That's only very partial. Or art of living is to have a holistic outlook on life. Sounds excellent. But factually it isn't. So what is the art of living? Obviously, no conflict whatsoever. Right? A brain that is in conflict all the time, having problems all the time, this tremendous self-concern, such a brain must inevitably be limited, right? If one is thinking about oneself, how to meditate, whether you can, all the rest of it. Your very meditation is self-centeredness. So, the art of living, it appears, you can add to it more, to live without conflict. Is that possible at all? That is to understand the opposing elements in one's life, right? Desiring one thing, opposed to that desire another thing. You know, this corridor of dualities. And this self-centeredness. As long as that self-centeredness exists, there must be conflict. Because self-centeredness is limited, small, petty. But you listen to all this, but carry on. Right? And you say that's not possible in modern society to live without self-centeredness, at least a little bit of it. Have you ever tried, have you ever lived without self-centeredness for one day? Not to think about oneself. Just even for an hour. And see what happens. You haven't committed to anything. You can go back to your self-centeredness. Nobody's going to say how wrong it is or right it is. That's the normal state of human beings, apparently. So, if one really tries for an hour, actually do it, not try it, do it and see what happens. And if you do it 1 hour, you can extend it. And you don't, it gives you tremendous energy. It gives you great sense of passion. Not lust and all the business, but the passion to pursue something profoundly to the very end of things. Right. Is that enough for this? You better come back.